Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Amazon app and going straight to Settings so you can stop ads at the source. Once done, confirm you're signed into the correct account because preferences are per account. Make sure the app is updated. Older builds may ignore preference changes. You'll also need to allow the app to load its settings so changes stick. This ensures the next steps actually affect ad delivery rather than being lost or tied to a different login. Next, go into Privacy or Advertising settings and disable interest-based ads and personalized recommendations. This reduces targeted sponsored items. Then, turn off notification and sponsored content toggles to cut in-app push ads. Once you change these, clear the app cache and force close the app. That forces the settings to reload. If you use Amazon shopping on a browser, repeat by blocking third-party cookies and turning off ad personalization in your browser's privacy controls so you reduce cross-device ad tracking. Finally, use device-level controls. Block Amazon notifications in Settings or enable Focus/Do Not Disturb to stop pop-ups. Consider an ad blocker or restrict the app's background data to limit ad refreshes. If ads still appear, sign out of Amazon, reboot your phone, reinstall the app, and reapply the privacy settings. This fixes corrupted preferences. One troubleshooting tip: if personalization toggles revert, check for multiple Amazon profiles or linked third-party accounts. Remove extra profiles and repeat the steps to permanently stop the ads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.